everyone. Welcome to Scratch Coding Ninja. Lesson is going to be about sensing. It's gonna be this one is gonna be a bit different because um here I'm going to be making a game. So let's jump into it. So first, you're gonna need to, of course, delete the sprite. Delete. Now the second thing you want to do is that you have to search for a car. So it's not any car, but specifically what I type. Just open up your browser and search top view car clip art, and you'll see all these bunch of cars here. And we want to have PNG. I've already downloaded this one, this car. So we don't need this open. And now we click upload sprite, red top car view, hide, PNG, open. Yeah, and we want the car size to be, no, X. We want the car size to be around an inch, so I guess that'll probably be 20. Yeah, a bit smaller than an inch should be fine. So now let's make the code for this. We want this car to move left and right. So we click when green flag, we get out. When green flag is clicked, forever move 5 steps. Move 5 steps. Another thing is that when we click the A and D or left or right arrow, this car should move left and right. So we'll make another one. When, if, or it depends. What do you want? But I'm gonna make things more clear, so I'm gonna get another when green flag's clicked. If something happens, okay, forever. If something happens, then something else happens. So if P, oh no, A, if the A button is pressed, then turn 5 degrees. No, 5 degrees to the left. And if we duplicate this, change this to 5 degrees towards the right, 5 degrees to the right, and this is going to be done by pressing the D key. Now, let's check this out. As you can see, this car is moving at a horizontal 8, or infinity sign. So, let's stop that, and now we need to make a backdrop. So we're gonna make one. We're not gonna paint one. I mean, find one. We're gonna make one. We're gonna click paint. Want this background to be green, so make this no outline. We make the biggest square we can possibly make, and we don't want any gaps. Yeah, here. We want to make a racetrack, so instead there's no fill. There is going to be some sort of racetrack. So we're gonna make a circle, and it's gonna be 100 pixels thick. We can make this a bit bigger because this looks a bit small. So yeah, this looks better. Yep, so now what we want this car to do is that first it points in direction 90, and oh wait, we want this backdrop 2. We go to this place, pointing 90 degrees, and go to. Now, yeah. And so now when we do this car is running around a racetrack. Alright, but now we want another if, because we want to make sure that this car stays in this gravel or cement, whatever you call them. So we click if sensing touching color. We just click on this button. We click this thingy, and we use the green one because we don't want to make sure that this doesn't touch this green grass. Then we can make another backdrop that's a duplicate of backdrop 2, which says, except for the fact that this says game over. That should work, hopefully. Bill, we want this to be red, because this is bad news. Right, type game over. And now that we completed it, we can expand it and make it bigger. And write it and make sure it's in smack in the middle. Like this. So, switch back when green flags click, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. And then switch backdrop to backdrop 3 when this is touching the green things, and then we stop everything. So now let's check it out. Let's go. Oops, I touched it, so it says game over. So that's pretty much the game. So we used not everything, but we did use some of the important ones, like touching color, when key is pressed, mouse, no, but we did do some of them, and that's pretty much what you need to learn, because maybe later you can figure it out yourself about how to change something, like color this is touching color that. So yeah, or maybe ask, or mouse X or mouse Y, or all those other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.